Hi, future administrative professional, tired of confusing correspondence theory? You need a real-world practice to master letters, memos, and reports. Introducing Postika, a revolutionary correspondence learning app designed specifically for vocational high school students. Instant practice, work simulation, and instant professional readiness. Let's see how Postika works.
In the workplace, communication is not just about talking, but how to convey message accurately, clearly, and professionally. One of the basic skills of professional communication is correspondence. Through correspondence, a person can convey information, requests, and decisions in a formal and effective manner. In the office world, correspondence plays an important role in maintaining the flow of communication between departments, between companies, and even with clients. Every letter, report, or memo sent reflects the professional image of an institution.
The ability to write and understand form of correspondent is mandatory for office administration. However, there are still many challenges faced in the learning process at school. Some students find it difficult to understand the correct letter format, determine the appropriate language, or adjust the content of the letter to the appropriate context. In addition, learning is often still theoretical, so students do not fully understand how to apply it in real work situation. For this reason, invitation in the learning process is needed.
Correspondence learning focuses not only on theory but also in practice, simulation, and direct application so that students truly understand the meaning of professional communication. With learning methods that are more interesting, interactive, and relevant to the world of work, office automation and office administration vocational school students can hone their correspondence in a more effective way.
We hereby introduce a correspondence learning application called Postika. Postika is here to answer that challenge. This application is specifically designed for OTKP, vocational high school students. So it's not just theory, but real practice that can be used in the workplace. With Postika, you will get easy to understand in the interactive modules, exercise in writing letters, memo, and reports with automatic assessment, office communication simulation to prepare you for work, and a discussion community where you can ask questions and share experience.
This Postika correspondent learning application in the design to make learning more interesting and efficient. Students can hone their skill in creating document and formal letter through interactive exercises using format that are standard in the workplace. Learning is practical and flexible thanks to features such as videos, automatic assessment, and up-to-date material in line with the latter's curriculum. The easy-to-use interface, which can be accessed at any time, ensures the student master practical skill, thereby improving their read lines to face the challenge of modern work.
Although Postika is still in development, we are very excited to present it to you soon. Join our waiting list and be the first to try it out. Postika, do your practice ready to professional work.